Hello there, my name is Iolo Williams. I'm a naturalist and a broadcaster, and I'm delighted to be here in Gregunnog in Mid Wales creating a series of videos with Welsh libraries and the Estyn Allan project. Now we're going to be looking at this summer reading challenge as well as some of Wales's wildlife and how to make Wales and the planet a better place to live. But let's start with a summer reading project. And what are my favourite books? Well, I like a variety of books. I like adventure books, detective novels, but as you might expect, I also love my wildlife books. The Summer Reading Challenge encourages children between the ages of 4 and 11 to keep reading over the summer months. Therefore, it builds up their confidence and also does away with that midsummer lull in reading. Every year, it motivates 700,000 children to build up their confidence and their reading skills. And the theme this year, well, it's Wild World Heroes, and it was created in partnership by the WWF and famous children's author and illustrator Heath Mackenzie. So get ready for Wild World Heroes coming online and in your local library. Now, Wild World Heroes will help children to explore ways of saving the planet. And we're talking here about real life issues, things like plastic pollution, deforestation, the loss of wildlife and the loss of nature. And as well as learning a lot more about the environment, the children will also tackle the problem of nature loss in the neighbourhood of Wilderville. Now, Wilderville is a pretty cool place, but there are lots of ideas on how the Wild World Heroes can make their towns and villages a better place for people and for wildlife too. So join the Wild World Heroes for the Summer Reading Challenge and make the environment a better place for everyone. By teaming up with WWF, we'll hope you will be inspired to take care of the planet. Wild World Heroes will feature amazing books, fantastic rewards, and lots of ideas of how to take care of our environment. Are you excited to join Wild World Heroes this summer? Contact your local library to find out how to sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge.